time. Stand here. Look it. She calls me.
Look at that airplane going into it, bitch.
Yeah? Oh, shit.
Nothing else out here that we want?
Huh?
There's nothing else out here that we want?
Wow, all of this. Why, you know that she's supposed to blow this shit away?
That shit's about to come hard right now.
They should have it feels like it's going to take your car. So on my last night, what?
The Death Star.
At Walmart?
Yeah.
It says it's like 60 miles an hour once it gets here.
It's about to hit real hard. It should take all your stuff inside.
Oh no, I'm not saying that you said that. I'm saying that you told me that. That it's 60 miles an hour? It's about to be over my house. It's about to be over my house right now. And they're calling this a death storm?
It don't look like no Death Star.
5.
Oh, shit.
I don't think you should stand out there.
It's really gonna hit hard.
Come in, Jordan. Alright, I'm close to the door. Come in.
Huh. Oh, shit.
Yeah. 97.
What up, bro? Bro, I already recorded it from start to end. That shit is fucking crazy.